Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Flutter taxi app inside today we need to add here the use here one library image pickers as well as need to upload here the user image profiles we need to upload today and to also here service code. And also need to create here the common image pickers we need to develop as well as need to create here the pop-up viewer routes we need to develop here. First of all, need to import here the image pickle dependency. First of all, need to open here, and I already find out inside the image pickers libraries. Need to write down here, search these names here, and to get this library image picker. And then want to go inside the installing tabs. Need to go here. We need to copy this here, this path, and now paste this here, this library, and also need to one more configurations we need to set for Androids and iOS. We need to write down here. First of all, I have already writing here. Need to go inside apps, source, and to mains folders and find out here the Android manifest files and to put here permissions for the camera and read external storage and write external storage permissions are the needs for the Androids. And same as we need to needs here the iOS. We need to first of all go inside the iOS folders, then runner folders, and opens here runner folders inside the info list files. And we need to add here the ns camera uses descriptions and to give this here the line this years, and also another the gets here the photo libraries inside. We need to get here in pick image, that's why we need to needs another permissions ns photo library uses descriptions. We need to call this permissions we need to put inside the input list. This is the required for the image pickers. Now we need to go inside and to first of all we need to create here the screens. Inside we need to go logins and to write down here the new files and to create here profile image. And now we need to copy here the bank detail screens and we need to paste this here. After we need to write down here file image like this. We need to set all text fields no needs, and also need to remove here this text field positions. Also need to here we need to call here a calls. Now we need to declare here you. First of all, we need to here create here our look-wise need to develop here, and we need to dance after here. First of all, we need to give this here some space and then after we need to create here in work buttons develop here tabs events and to write down here. Then after we need to create here tiles. First of all, we need to declare here containers, create here decorations, box decoration, set here colors white, then after set here the border radius, also need to this here height and width at this years height into that's. And now also need to get here box shadow first. Let's see here. Now need to set here colors, color black 26, and need here the blur radius. We need to set this 10, and also need to write down here the childs inside this container. Right here, clip R rect, we need to set this here, and also need to copy this here corner radius. Now need to create here the children's, and one more things we need to give this here settings here files, and we need to write down question mark. Okay. If you need to get here the files, then to if not equal to null, and then we need to write down icons and also icons. Set here size, let's key color, secondary colors, we need secondary text colors this here. Now we need to declare image sets files, we need this here image files, now we need to set here an heights, right, and to set here fits box fit covers, we need like this, we need to set, and to create like these controls are the defining seers and working goods. Now this UI are the ready, save this, and to also need to change this here the titles, set here profile image, also unused imports, we need to now need to create here the common image pickers, we need to develop here, write down here go clips folders inside the common widgets, and to write down here image pickers view. Like this, need to write down here and need to create here Deadpool widgets. And also imports here the material dependency, and now need to create here one parameters, need here the path did select, parameter. Now we need to declare here the parameter to variable declares for the image pickers, down here pickers. All this also imports here this line, and then after we need to write down here some functions are the need opens gallery and open camera. Also need to call here just functions and camera. And also write down. Now we need to call here package in here, and now we need to call here finals or files, write down here image this game. Now we need to check this here the image files not equal to null, and I need to call this here the widgets dots selects and path file picker file dot path need here and write down here the semicolons and for here navigation. This means functions need to be this here. Write down here. And same as we need to create here galleries. Let's here and to functions things here, and now need to develop here. There's also to define here. This is the extensions methods I have already write down here. And now need to call here. Also need to multiply. Calls here heights, yeah, width, and here this also need to all this here means now need to box depth function. First of all, need to give this here color, that's white, and then after you need to set this here. Circulars need pins. Then after you need to set here the box shadow and to set here, and we need to set down the radius. And we need and after now need to children and to dependent need to first of all create here the columns runs. Now we need to this here n axis alignments, write down, and then after Like this, we need to set here the words and styles and to then afterwards we need to set this font size semicolons and to height space we need height. Then afterwards then and now we need to declare here and now we need to find buttons we need also need to image. Now we need to and we need and we need to write down here and after same as we need to copy this with that and now need to and after we need to set here the display titles need to here and we need to paste this here. Now need to text and else at here text styles and we need to primary text set this first. Then afterwards we need to set this here the font size 17 like this sets here. Now we need to repeat this one and we need to first and gallery. That's here. So need to give the height space. Need to copy this function. Nice this and all. And now to last one. So then now we need to text button and to dismiss methods text and primary text. Like this, you need to set and save these here. And this image pickers codings are the dones and this UI are the dunnings. And now need to create here the pop-ups routes we need to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the new files. Pop-up layer. Like this, need to files develop here, and we need to give this also here extensions and now need to call here. See, now need to add here tables equal to change. Then after we need to and after like this calls here. Now need to set here nodes gets here bg color and so now need to and after barrier label and after need to end states need array. Like this, we need to build context, animation duration, animations like this. We need to call this here the overlay, and needs here another overlay methods. We need to the overlay methods gets overlay build context. This we need to call this here. Now we need to call here the returns and to write down here containers, and we need to call this here margins. We need to margin variables. Then after we need to set this here the elements. This here the elements dot centers. We need to fence here, and after children's need to pass this here, and the semicolons need to call this here this. And now need to create here which all these methods and create here. Now need to pass here functions. Then we to that's now need to pass here and function. Okay, structure F7. I need to give this the methods name. Methods need to false, and after I need to set here and to then after just need to set this here. Now need to set need to and after child margins are and 2, and we need to call these functions inside the image picker, and we need to call this here the tabs on, call this here head down to call, and we'll write down here here that's here is equal and to this call this here. And also need to write down here API. We need directly into calls, not pass inside. So need to and to be now we need now to bank now need to oops I said we need to write down paste this here this here and for API profile image. Yesterday we need to Node.js, not C, so please see this way and let's insert that this here path now copy here and after now need to let's see here the since methods need to now failures, error, and now need to things here. That's any. Right, like this. Now if any gets in, then we do this here. And we need not get and also need at the share paper. Need to hit here. Go in. Now we need to call this service calls that here. Pass this add unit calling here API like this. We need to calling C. Now need to save these here, and this is the goods for the callings. And now need to integrations after the OTP verifications. Need to calls here, and to get here the successful listens that the listeners need to calls here methods, need to call these here and to write down here names. The common extensions we need to write down here method like this. Need to define here the tab context, give this here the build context on. You need to set here the extension methods like this, set this here, and to directly pass here widgets, you need to give this here. Now we need to call here profile image, save these here. Now we need to run these projects and to test these API callings are working or not. So we need to test this here. Now this is the buildings here, this helps and build done, and to now need to test this here. Now need to select here, now to set starts. Now need to enter here the captcha verifications. We need to set here 4 by 6 and to 20 years. Go and to image picker. Go inside the not image picker, image view, profile image view. Now this is the display. Now click on here. See your pick. Now need to XP and to shears. Now call it. Let's here. Hide edge. First of all, need to let's in it and hold. One more thing. Save these years and against and after we need to set here verify. Now need to edge again. Which value? Once here database and to directly set here the one. Also need the tabs need years. Now need to set. Also need now need to go in that user details. Now need to calls again this API and gets here errors to go line this number. That's and taste. carefully. You need this image. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.